the best screen protector for the Sony Xperia 1 installation and review after my intro. Welcome everyone, I'm Zilla. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and installing the Glastr Slim Spigen glass screen protector onto my Sony Xperia 1. I have had a struggle trying to find a decent screen protector for this phone, and I know a lot of you guys have as well. I'm recording this on my Samsung Galaxy S10 5G, so let me know in the comments below what you think about the sound quality and the video quality, because I'm interested in that. I was going to do it on my DSLR, but I thought, you know what, let me try out a phone, kill two birds with one stone. I think this is around $9.99. I will leave links in my description as always. Use those links to help support the channel, because I do get a little small tiny kickback if you use my links. Typical Spigen packaging. It says here it's whole transparency, oleophobic coating, real glass, perfect adhesion. It's a silicone type adhesion. 9H surface hardness and delicate touch, whatever that means. Anyway, let's open this up, show you what comes in the packaging. Obviously we have the screen protector right here. I'll put that on the side. It's reflecting like crazy, but who cares? And let's see what's in here. Some instructions, installation guide, and so on. I'm not going to bother reading through all this. No one does. If I mess it up, I mess it up. It wasn't that expensive, so who cares? As long as you guys get the gist of it. One thing Spigen do state is leave one of their cases on the Xperia 1 to help align the screen protector on the phone. So just, I've got on here the Spigen, I think it's called a liquid crystal, full TPU case, see-through. For a purple phone, you know you want to be using a see-through case. It's too nice to be using a colored case. Come on, there we go, chuck that away. You've got a squeegee for any ear bubbles, that's what that's saying, who cares. Do not throw away, use to remove dust before installing. Okay, we know that. Microfiber cloth, standard, and a wet wipe, an alcoholic wipe. So let's get this open. I'm not the best at applying screen protectors on camera, I've got to be honest. It's a little bit on the dry side, but I can smell the alcohol of this. Oh, it's quite a strong smell. So give this a good wipe to remove any greasy fingerprints you may have. There you go, that's wiped off. Now use this to give it another wipe, just to get rid of any streaks or anything like that on here. Not a big fan of applying screen protectors with cases on the phone already. I know it helps with alignment, but still, you know what I mean? By the way, this is being recorded in 4K 60 frames per second on the S10 5G. So if it suddenly stops, it's because it's reached this limit, but don't worry, I'm keeping an eye on it and I'll restart it. Alright, that looks pretty clean. Now let's use the dust removal sticker. Here, ignore the noise coming from the outside. Alright, I think that looks pretty clean. Now I'll remove the backing right here. Use these wings to help align it. No, that's not quite right. Is that okay? Yeah, it looks okay. So I press here and down, let it do its thing, And of course I have to have sodding something stuck there, but hey ho. Once I've done this, I'll lift it up, take that dust bit out, wherever it is. Give that a quick peel this thing off. It's just an alignment thing. Actually, that piece of dust was not under the screen protector. Well, hey, happy days. Let's give that a quick wipe. Let's see, the camera alignment's a little bit off. I'm gonna have to realign it after this, but whatever. Now I can push the air bubbles out. Let me push the air bubbles out and I'll be right back and I'll start the film again. There's an opening for the sensor right there. You've got a cutout for the earpiece, which is perfect. If you look around the edge with this Spigen case, it's virtually edge to edge with the case. It works perfectly with that. Perfectly. Now if I switch that on, I mean, look at that. Very, very smooth. Works without any issue whatsoever. A lot nicer now. I've got a screen protector on there. I'm a lot happier. Very nice oleophobic coating. So if you can see there, I've got quite greasy hands and it's not picking up any fingerprints. Little bit there, but I really had to force that. I mean, look at that. Not bad at all. I'm pretty impressed by the screen protector. I mean, I think it was like $8.99 or $9.99. And so I will leave links in the description below where you can pick this up from. Definitely worthwhile getting this if you've got a Xperia one. It's the Spigen Glastr Slim 9H hardness screen protector. I'll also leave a link to the Spigen case, the what's it called? Liquid crystal. That's it, liquid crystal. They've got so many different cases, hard to keep up. So now I can see the back of my Xperia one, that color, happily. And look at that. Let me just show you this case real quick, because people can ask me. Plenty of protection for the camera on the back. Very, very recessed. No issue whatsoever. Power button has got a ridge texture on it. Volume rockers work perfectly. Camera button works perfectly. No problems there. Fingerprint sensor. I mean, look at that. Look at that again. No issue at all. And with this case, you can actually get side sense to work. I mean, look. And I'm just touching the edge of the case. There we go. Strangely enough, it works perfectly. So I don't know why that works, but it works. Which will probably suggest it is a screen sensors rather than actually touching the screen. Cutout for the bottom firing speaker. Large cutout for the charging port and microphone. Lanyard. Cutouts there. Bit of air cushion technology branding in the corner here. As you can see. Lip protection. Now lip protection. Oh, go away. There we go, that's better. Lip protection with this screen protector and this case, you still get a millimeter or two of lip protection. So face down, not even the screen protector's touching that. Works like a dream. I mean, I think probably this is the best combination, this. Especially if you don't like flip covers, because I reviewed the official smart cover from Sony for the Xperia 1. I'll leave a link for that at the end of this video if you want to check that one out. The glue stuck there. You've obviously got the air cushion corners there. Very, very nice combo this actually. It's probably going to be my go-to now. This screen protector with this case. Definitely my choice. So move this out of the way. Put this up there. So there you have it, guys. What do you think? If you don't like the screen protector, which one are you using? I can't find a better one than this. It's all adhesive as well. It's full adhesive. It's not that stupid dot pattern you get where only the edges are glue. This is full adhesion, which is very, very important to remember. It makes touch sensitivity better, makes the experience a whole lot better. and it also gives you a much clearer image on your screen. And when you've got a 4K screen, you want that clear image. Liquid crystal cover with the Spigen glass screen protector. I'll leave links for both down below. 110%. This is if you don't go for this case, definitely go for this screen protector. 100% works perfectly with this. So there you have it, guys. I'll be reviewing a lot more cases for the Xperia 1. I don't think I'll bother with any more screen protectors now. I'm happy with this, unless Whitestone Dome bring one out, which I doubt. But yeah, I think this is the best screen protector, 100%, without a shadow of a doubt. If you have any suggestions and there's any cases you want me to review, let me know those down below in the comments, because I do take requests. If I can get hold of certain cases, I will review them. Anyway, this is TechZilla saying, take care, smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon, thumbs up, and until next time, take care and peace.